Here is how to import a bank statement into Xero step by step. Begin by logging into your Xero account with your usual sign-in details. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top navigation area and go to Accounting. From that menu, select Bank Accounts. This will open the list of bank accounts connected to your Xero organization, and from there you can choose where the statement needs to go. Open the bank account you want to import the statement into. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, especially if your organization has more than one bank account listed. When the account page opens, find the Manage Account option. Click it, then choose Import a Statement from the menu. This takes you to the Import screen, where you can upload the bank statement file from your computer. On the Import screen, click Select File. Browse to the bank statement file you want to use, then choose it. After the file has been selected, click Next to move to the next stage. Xero will then begin reading the file so it can match the transaction details to the right fields. The next screen is where you review and map the transaction fields if needed. Depending on the format of your statement file, Xero may detect the columns automatically, or you may need to confirm which column contains the date, amount, description, and any other transaction details included in the file. Check that each field lines up with the correct information shown in the preview. If anything looks incorrect here, adjust the mapping before you continue. Once the fields look right, click Next. You will then see a transaction preview. This is where you can review a sample of the imported data before it is added to the account. Take a moment to make sure the transactions appear as expected and that the dates and amounts are being displayed in the correct places. If the preview looks accurate, click Next to continue. On the next screen, review the transactions that are about to be imported. This is the final check before Xero adds them to the selected bank account. If everything shown matches the statement file you uploaded, click Complete Import. Xero will process the file and add the transactions to that bank account. Once the import finishes, the bank statement is in Xero and ready for the next stage of your bookkeeping workflow. You can then move on to reconciliation using the imported transactions now stored in the account. Your bank statement has now been imported into Xero and is ready for reconciliation.